Welcome back, guys, and today I'm going to be going through everything that is in my backpack at the end of the school year. I just graduated or finished freshman year, 9th grade of high school, and I just wanted to share what was inside my backpack at the end of the school year. So keep on watching. So this year I got a North Face navy blue with gold metal pieces backpack. I'm not pretty sure what it's called, but I can link it down below in the description. So it has, like, if you look at the back, it has some nice cardboard and like some straps because North Face is more of an adventurous backpack, so it's like more for hiking. So in the pockets here on the sides, I would normally keep my water bottle, which is currently not in there because I've been using it. And then I'd also keep either snacks or garbage that I had from snacks that I was eating. And then in the front there's this thing and that I never really used at all. And I made this little keychain, if you guys can see that. At the beginning of the year I thought it looked really cool to just add a different color to the backpack. So that's what I did. So here, the first pocket right here in the front, I have my graphing calculator. It's just a regular Texas graphing calculator, and I would also sometimes keep snacks, and it looks like I have a necklace in here that just has an O on it, so just kind of nothing in particular. And then next is this smaller little bag in which, so it has, like, you can kind of see like different little compartments for pencils and stuff, and I have this mini pocket constitution that I got in my civics class, probably never going to use again. And some garbage, some papers, a sticker sheet that I got from someone with little unicorns. And right here I would normally keep my AirPods, which obviously aren't currently in there, and then some pencils and stuff like that. So getting into this pocket it's normally zipped up, but it's unzipped right now. So at the top I have some change and small bills for vending machines. We have a ton of vending machines all over our school, so I just kept some money in case I wanted to get something after school at one of those. I have my earbuds with the different jack, with like the iPhone jack. Literally just because I normally had my AirPods, but in case I forgot or something like that, or someone needed to borrow, I had extras. I also have mini scissors. Scissors are always just handy for most anything, so I just had a little pair in case I wanted to use them. And I had a comb to fix my hair. I think I have a hairbrush. Yeah, I have a hairbrush in the next pocket, like one of the, like, I think I got it from Target, like the one that like unfolds, filled with hair. It's really gross, but that is that. I have some more money, just a couple dollar bills. This is pretty interesting. So I do youth and government, so we have to dress up in business casual. So like flats and heels and all those kind of dress shoes are so uncomfortable, and they give you the worst blisters. So you always buy these little like blister band-aids so that I don't get blisters, or if I do get blisters I can still wear shoes. I have this pen, just a regular pen, nothing too interesting. I have some lead. Oh, I need more lead. This is good. Okay. I have a Burt's Bees chapstick in here too, and hand sanitizer. This little old nail file thing, and then just some more change, a bobby pin, and a paper clip. The next pocket I have a lock that I had in my orchestra locker, but I just took that out, and more chapstick. And then I have some like wrappers of gum and stuff like that, so it's kind of gross. The next pocket is like the middle one. So this backpack has 3 kind of main pockets in this little front pocket, and this one is like a big size. I just have my orchestra folder in there that we were issued. Garbage. I have my planner. I have some garbage. I have some extra snacks. I have a bar. I always just kept extra snacks because I usually stayed after school for different activities, so I always had something in my bag if I wanted that after school, or again, I'd go to the vending machine. I have this little bag that's always in my school backpack. It's like just a little emergency bag for like things that are just necessary, if that makes sense. I have a little Tide stick, floss, allergy medicine. I have some mints. I kind of want a mint right now. But after the video is done, I'll have a mint. Oh, this is interesting. Not really. A damp pit for my violin. This thing just helps keep humidity in the violin so the like wood doesn't like freak out. Violinists or like musical people should know what that is, but nothing too interesting. Also, I would normally keep my lunch in here. I always brought home lunch because I just didn't really like the school lunch, so I brought, it just kind of fit down here, if that makes sense, right here where there's a lot of extra space, and that would be that. And then the last pocket I have just folders and notebooks. A lot of these I took out. I would also normally have my school iPad. At school we have iPads. I have 3 folders. This is kind of my everything folder. I think it's like my math and something. And then this is science folder. I think I also have my civics folder somewhere in here. Yep. Or no, that's my civics notebook. My civics notebook. Nothing too interesting, just filled with like notes and stuff like that. I have my math notebook that is literally almost all the way filled with math work. And my science notebook that is barely filled with notes, but a lot of like, I just have like a lot of small little notes. That is kind of it. And oh, here's my pencil pouch. I haven't seen her in a bit. I empty most of the pencils that I use from day-to-day basis, but there's still quite a bit in here. Interesting. I'm just finding new things. I have some colorful pens. I love writing in my planner in colored pens. I have some extra lead. I have this felt tip black marker, another felt tip black marker, a pencil, a mechanical pencil, another mechanical pencil, and like a pen. Like these are my favorite mechanical pencils, like the more fancier thing. I normally also have an eraser. I have a Post-it note in here for like taking notes and stuff like that. So that would be in there. And that is it for what is in my backpack. I hope you guys enjoyed watching what was in my backpack at the end of the year. It doesn't really feel like the end of the school year because we've been in quarantine for so long and I haven't actually gone to school or used this backpack, but I just came across, I was cleaning my room and I came across this and it was still filled with all my school stuff, so I thought maybe I would share this with you guys in case any of you were interested of what I used on a day-to-day basis at school. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, that would mean the world to me, and see you in the next video.